Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 12:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, September 4th. Happy Friday again to you all. The S&P 500 ETF, the spiders, have just broken out of a beautiful ascending triangle. I was watching that. It's been up, now arguably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars in a row now into the 101.75 area. And I just want to show you again, that coincides perfectly with declining 200 MA on a 15-minute chart. And we'll come back and do some retracements here in a minute. It also is running up very nicely past the 100 MA on the 60-minute chart, which is powerful. And now it's even testing away this 101.50/102 area that we deemed as resistance this morning, just based on some of these factors. So again, be careful how you go long after many bars up in a row. Even on a 50 or 60-minute chart, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 bars in a row up with one little stall here at the 101 area. Intraday, the 100 MA on the 60-minute chart did provide some resistance. That was what this little stall was about, right through here. And now we're rocketing past that even again. So nice run up, higher swing highs, higher swing lows. If we remove the data, pre and post market here, you can see this. That's pretty tasty. So higher swing highs, higher swing lows, working our way higher. And the trend, you can check him out now, is excellent all day long, has been below even the 0.6 area, so that points toward higher movement typically. And the trend Q, same thing. After a big down gap, we stayed, and now we're below 0.6 all day long. And the VIX, again, a good tiebreaker, has been bleeding out all day long. Even this nice consolidation here right before the breakout, and now we're getting a little bit of confirmation that the breakout's real too, just not dramatic. So again, watch the S&P. What I was really keen about was this morning and watching how the broad markets digested this news. So let me put this back on and go back. So 8:30, we had a really, it didn't look dramatic. It doesn't look dramatic now, but this were two really large bars right at 8:30. And the news that came out was average work week right in line, 33.1. Hourly earnings, 0.3%, a little bit better. Non-farm payrolls, minus 216,000 K. And the unemployment rate is at a whopping 9.7%. And if you look, that's a 26-year high for the unemployment rate. So there's some mixed data in there. And if you click on that and you get an idea about what people are thinking about, this mix in the market, and even the fact that we had that much of a rise in that number, got digested very, very nicely, very, very quickly. It even popped back up, and we chopped around sideways in this gap fill. So if I zoom back out like this, you can see that that was a perfect gap fill from this morning, almost to the penny, and then we rocketed higher. I'll zoom back over here to the right so you can see it. So here's the open, boom, nice move up, equal swing low, equal swing high, higher swing low, and then we put in this recent high again. So again, we march our way through, making a nice ascending triangle, and now a bunch of people on the short side are buying to cover. It looks like right up into resistance. That's what this stall is about, what we just talked about a little bit ago. And you can see the volume declined just a little bit now. So we'll have to see if we can march around this area and chew our way through this resistance and this area that we deemed as resistance this morning, especially the 50 MA declining on the 60-minute chart. No matter what, though, this is a nice higher swing low on a daily chart. A significant sell-off at 76% retracement of this move up, however, and we have a better chance of making a lower swing high. So we're going to have to see how we chew our way through and if we get to stay in this area up here. So good stuff, everybody. That's what I'm looking at. The markets are at least more bullish than bearish right now, and we kind of corroborated that this morning, so it feels good to be on the right side of the markets. Good trading, everybody. Look forward to D7's video at the close, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend, everybody.